Have you ever read a news article but skipped it after just reading the first sentence because it was not interesting? Or, on the other hand, have you ever come across a news lead that grabbed your attention and kept you reading until the end? Well, that's the importance of a lead in news article. Let's dive deeper. Hi, back with me, Mariko Rizkiansyah. In this third model, we will talk about types of leads in news. In this model, we will explore various types of leads in news articles and how to choose the right lead to capture the reader's attention. A lead is the opening paragraph of a news story that aims to grab the reader's attention while providing an initial overview of the news content. In journalism, a strong lead ensures that readers remain interested in reading until the end of the news. The lead is a key element that distinguishes engaging news from the ordinary news. It is important for a journalist to understand the types of leads to adapt them to the needs and audience of the news. The first type of lead is the straight news lead. This lead is often used in hard news. Its purpose is to deliver the main information quickly and concisely. Usually, this list contains the 5W plus 1H elements: who, what, where, when, why, and how. For example, the government officially raised fuel prices starting at midnight, with Pertalite prices rising from the 10,000 to 15,000 per liter. This lead directly conveys the essence of the news clearly. Next is the indirect lead. This lead is used to introduce the story gradually, building context or atmosphere before getting to the main point. For example, that night, the residents of Sukamaju village were still asleep when a sudden roar shocked the ground, forcing them out of their homes without knowing what was happening. This lead builds curiosity in the reader before delivering the main information. A descriptive lead describes the atmosphere, place, or main character in the news in detail. This type of lead aims to evoke emotion and imagination in the reader. For example, heavy rain poured down on Jakarta without stopping, turning main roads into sudden rivers filled with trapped vehicles. With such of description, reader can visualize the situation. The next type of lead is the quotation lead. This lead starts the news with a direct quote from a source, providing an authentic impression and highlighting important statements. For example, "We are ready to face this challenge for the welfare of the people," said the Ministry of Finance in this morning press conference. This quote immediately provides the essence of the news through the source elements. The question lead begins with a provocative or irrelevant question to spark the reader's curiosity. For example, how could a small village in remote Indonesia become a pioneer in a renewable energy? This question invites readers to find the answer in the news. The anecdotal lead uses a short story or interesting anecdote related to the news topic to create initial appeal. For example, when young Dina practiced badminton on a simple village court, no one expected her to become a world champion. This anecdote brings readers into an inspiring personal story. And the last one is contrast lead. The contrast lead highlights striking differences or conflicts that capture the reader's attention. For example, while most city residents celebrated the New Year with festivities, firefighters were busy battling a massive fire at the shopping center. This lead is engaging by showing two contrasting situations. In conclusion, the right type of lead depends on the audience and the type of news. A strong lead is the key to the success of a news story, as it can capture the reader's attention from the start. Choose the appropriate type of lead to create engaging and memorable news. Thank you for following this learning session and see you in the next session.